Yo guys, I just received this 11-year-old MacBook Air from 2015E. It only has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. It was on Mac OS Monterey, and the idle RAM consumption on Monterey was between 2 to 3 gigs. So nothing was usable, and it was a mess. And it was super slow. Like no joke. It was moving like a snail. Even browsing on this was a bad experience. And some tools I used that were not available. Some of you guys will suggest Linux. But for a person that is coming from Windows, it will be a hard route to switch to Linux. And also, many softwares like Microsoft Office, Power BI don't work on Linux. So there is another route that you can try without compromising much. That is to install Tiny10, which is a lightweight, super fast, and low RAM consuming operating system which is very usable and takes less storage. The RAM consumption on this is just 1.8 gigs. It is miles better than running on Mac OS. I can do the browsing smoothly with so many tabs open, do all the office work, do coding smoothly, listen music and everything, and even some light editing with CapCut. And the ISO of Tiny10 is only 1 gigabyte, so it's very good for laptops or PCs with less storage. This laptop is very compact, just 13-inch and lightweight. And I also love the build quality of this device. Just pure aluminum and combined with the good all-day battery life and snappy operating system. This device has received a new life and boots up faster than Mac OS Monterey, which was a snail compared to this. You guys can solve the driver's problem by using boot camp drivers. All buttons, speakers, touchpad, ports work good. So no problem, and I have made this laptop usable in 2026.
Sorry for the AI voiceover guys, but now let me show you some web browsing test so we can identify the performance of this MacBook Air with Tiny10. As you can see, it is handling the task very well and the speed is very fast and snappy too, and you can see the CPU and RAM usage as well.